Alright everyone, welcome back to the Stock Market Review. It is after hours, Wednesday, January 3rd, 9:42 p.m. Central Standard Time. Let's take a look at the three indexes. Dow Jones is down 284 points at the end of trading day today. S&P 500 down 38 points, and NASDAQ down 173 points. Let's take a look at each individual index now. Today, Dow Jones started down, then it came back up, tried to recover towards noon hour. Then towards the end of the day, it recovered most of its losses, and for some reason, it sold back off again and ended the day negative 284, of course. Past 5 days, basically down every single day. So the past month, still up there. So basically all of last week's gains wiped out the last 2 days. And let's take a look at the S&P 500, down 30 points. So starting off the day, again, sell off, and then tried to recover and kept going down. Then it recovered some more, and towards the end of the day, it was back up, and then it sold off again. And the end of the day, under the red. So down 30 points. And looks like the past 5 days, this past week, before New Year's, into New Year's, and after New Year's, today's Wednesday, started high, all-time high, then sold off last 2 days. So basically all the gains from this past 7 days, 8 days, wiped out. Still at a pretty decent level for the month. And let's take a look at the NASDAQ, last but not least. NASDAQ is a little bit more stable, I would say. Sold off, came back up, down, roller coaster ride up, and towards the end of trading day, it was up, then it sold off into the 4 p.m. hour, then it leveled off, low, negative. So there you have it there. Last 5 days, basically a steady decline. So past 5 days, last week's gains wiped out. Let's take a look if there's any stock that has sold off today during the day. GM sold off some, Ford sold off some, but other than that, nothing too drastic. So let's take a look at the prices now. Here's my activity. Kind of the same thing, roller coaster ride. I bought a few things today, added to my JYD position. Bought CUK for the cruise industry, and repurchased TQQ at a better price. That's basically it. Let's take a look at the three index prices. So to finish off the day, trading day, even after hours, Dow Jones ended at 374. The S&P 500, ticker symbol SPXL, down to $100, and the NASDAQ, ticker symbol TQQQ, ended at 46.70. So again, a little bit of a roller coaster ride. Start off the day at 376. Then pre-market hours, then during market hours, sold off. 373, came back up. 375, slid down a little bit, came back up. Stayed at 375, sold off again. And at 374, and we're in the 374.70 range. I'm only in $2, so I didn't have much of a loss. It's Current price $3.74. My average cost $374.74, so not much of a difference. Now the SP 500, ticker symbol SPXL. Again, starting off at 101, then pre-market, and during the market open day, sold off to 99. Try to come back up about 2 o'clock at 101, then sold off again. And at market close, it was at 99. So from 101, 102 to 99, based on I had a $3 sell off. Then it came back up to 100 even. I'm in at $10. Average cost 101.11. It's about $100 now, so I'm just down 10 cents. And last but not least, the Nasdaq ticker symbol TQQQ. Pre-market's at 48. Selling off during trading day to 46. Tried to recover, didn't do very well. Sold off again, and the trading day ended at 46.48. And after hours, come at 46.70. So I sold and repurchased the shares at a deeper discount at 46. My dollar cost average is 47.22. Currently 46.69 now, just down 56 cents. And there you have it, folks. If you find this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe either on TikTok or YouTube or both. Let me show you the inverse for TQQQ. I want to show you the cruise industry because it looks very attractive right now, price-wise. So this past week, it's all-time high for RCL, Royal Caribbean, at 130, sold out to 117. So it's down $13. I will probably call this, its low is at 116.58. I will call this a buying opportunity for Royal Caribbean, but you know, your decision, up to you, your investing capital. Okay, but if we were to buy now, if it's going to recover tomorrow, Thursday, and the next day, Friday, full recovery, 2 days, 2 day loss, 2 day recovery, you get back up to 130 from 117 or 118. Say it's a good profit potential. And then Royal Caribbean just kind of roller coaster right up. I'm going to show you SQQQ, the inverse for TQQQ, because that is in the books. So SQQQ started off the day 14.15, reaches high of 14.62. Now that may not seem like a lot, but if you buy a whole bunch of shares, a couple thousand shares, it'll add up to several $1,000s in profit. And if you look at the past week, had we bought it during the beginning of sell-off from 13.12 to finishing at 14.57, that's quite a bit of change. Okay, so again, if you find the information in this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the next video tomorrow. Have a good one.